What if I told you that you don't need a single follower to start making money online? No audience, no existing brand, no problem. Today, I'm going to show you a proven method to go from 0 views to your first $100 using the power of artificial intelligence. And I'm not just talking theory. I'm going to walk you through the exact, repeatable steps that turn AI-generated content into real cash. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a smart, strategic approach to content creation that anyone can follow. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint. So, let's get started. Step 1. The foundation of this entire strategy is picking a micro niche. Forget trying to appeal to everyone. The internet is too crowded for that. Your goal is to become a big fish in a tiny pond. A micro niche is a highly specific, focused topic that serves a small but passionate audience. For example, instead of fitness, you'd choose at-home workouts for new moms with no equipment. Instead of cooking, you'd focus on 30-minute vegan meal prep for busy students. Our example for today will be beginner knitting hacks that teach quick, simple stitches. This is perfect because it's specific. It solves a clear problem for beginners, and the audience is actively searching for solutions. The key is to find a topic where you can provide immense value to a targeted group that is currently being underserved. Before you commit, you need to do some quick research. First, validate demand. Use free tools like Google Trends to see if people are actually searching for your topic. Is the trend stable or growing? Next, use a tool like Answer the Public to find the exact questions people are asking. This is pure gold for content ideas. Then, check the competition. Search for your micro niche on YouTube or TikTok. If the top results are all from massive creators with millions of followers, it might be too competitive. But if you see smaller channels ranking, that's your green light. It means the algorithm is open to new creators in this space. Look for forums like Reddit or Facebook groups dedicated to your niche. If people are actively discussing problems, you have a hungry audience waiting for your content. Step 2. Now that you have your niche, it's time to let AI do the heavy lifting. We're going to use an AI content tool to automate script and title generation. This is where you gain an unfair advantage. While others struggle with writer's block, you'll be generating weeks of content in minutes. Your prompt is everything. Be specific. Don't just say, write a video about knitting. Instead, use a detailed prompt like, generate 5 short video scripts, each under 150 words, for a YouTube short about beginner knitting hacks. The tone should be encouraging and simple. Each script needs a scroll-stopping title, like, You're doing this knitting stitch wrong, or Knit your first scarf in 1 hour. The AI will instantly give you multiple options. Your job is to curate, not just copy-paste. Pick the best ones, tweak them slightly to match your voice, and organize them. This is called batching. In one session, you can generate 20 or 30 video ideas, complete with scripts and killer titles. You're building a content assembly line. Also, ask the AI for thumbnail ideas. Prompt it. Give me 3 compelling thumbnail concepts for a video titled, The Only 3 Knitting Stitches You Need. It might suggest a close-up of hands knitting with bold text overlay. This saves you creative energy later on. Step 3. It's time to produce. Forget fancy cameras and expensive microphones. Your smartphone is more than enough. The goal here is speed and value, not cinematic perfection. Based on your batched scripts, you're going to produce 5 quick videos. Here are a few simple production tips. First, lighting. Natural light is your best friend. Sit facing a window. If you can't, a simple ring light costs less than $20 and makes a huge difference. Second, framing. Prop your phone up on a stack of books or a cheap tripod. Keep the camera at eye level and look directly into the lens, not at yourself on the screen. This creates a connection with the viewer. Third, audio. Record in a quiet room. A closet full of clothes is a great makeshift sound booth because the fabric absorbs echo. Keep each video 30 to 60 seconds long. This is the sweet spot for short-form platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. It's long enough to provide real value, but short enough to hold attention. Remember, you're not creating a feature film. Focus on delivering the helpful advice from your AI-generated script clearly and concisely. Done is better than perfect. Now for editing, and we're going to do it fast. Use a free mobile app like CapCut. First, import your clip and aggressively trim the fat. Cut out any pauses, ums, or ahs. This is called jump cutting, and it keeps the pace energetic. Second, add captions. Over 80% of social media videos are watched with the sound off. Apps like CapCut can auto-generate captions for you. Choose a bold, easy-to-read font. Third, add some simple B-roll. If you're talking about a knitting stitch, show a close-up of your hands doing that stitch. This visual variety keeps the viewer engaged. You can film this with your phone right after you film yourself talking. Create a simple template for your editing style. Same fonts, same caption style, same intro and outro. This will allow you to edit each new video in under 15 minutes. Step 4. It's time to publish. Consistency is your key to unlocking predictable growth. The algorithm rewards creators who show up regularly. Your goal is to upload one short video every single day. Since you batched your content creation, this is completely manageable. But don't just hit upload. You need to optimize. Use your AI tool again. Give it your script and ask it to write an optimized YouTube description with relevant keywords and 3 hashtag ideas for this video. It will spit out a perfect keyword-rich description that helps the algorithm understand what your video is about and who to show it to. For your thumbnail, use the ideas the AI gave you earlier. Create a simple, bright, high-contrast image with bold text. Canva is a great free tool for this. Finally, always include a call to action, or CTA. At the end of your video, say, "Follow for more daily knitting tips." In your description and pinned comment, ask a question to encourage engagement, like, "What are you struggling with most as a beginner knitter?" This signals to the algorithm that your content is valuable. Step 5. Let's talk promotion. For the first week, focus on free methods. You've uploaded 5 to 7 videos. One of them will likely perform better than the others. You'll see it getting more views or more comments. This is the one we're going to pour a little gasoline on. First, repurpose it. Take that winning video and post it on other short-form platforms. If it was a YouTube short, post it as an Instagram Reel and a TikTok. This triples your chances of it going viral at no extra cost. Now for the paid experiment. Take that same winning video and promote it with a very small paid boost. I'm talking $5. On Instagram or YouTube, you can target your ads specifically to people interested in knitting, crafts, and DIY. This tiny investment tells the algorithm to show your best content to your ideal audience, fast-tracking the discovery process. Now the most exciting part, monetization. You don't need thousands of subscribers to make money. You just need to offer value. From day one, you can monetize. Here are 3 simple ways. First, affiliate links. Find a beginner knitting kit on Amazon. Sign up for the Amazon Associates program, get your unique affiliate link, and put it in your video descriptions and your channel bio. When someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. It's that simple. Second, a low-cost digital product. Use your AI tool to help you create a simple one-page PDF guide, like the 5 Essential Knitting Stitches Cheat Sheet. Sell it for $3 using a service like Gumroad or Ko-fi. Mention it in your videos. For a handy guide you can print out, check the link in my bio. If just a few people buy it each day, it adds up quickly. Third, one-off consulting. Offer a 15-minute knit start video call for $20. Use a free tool like Calendly to manage bookings. In your videos, you can say, "If you're really stuck and need personalized help, I offer quick one-on-one help sessions. Link in bio. You only need 5 people to book that to make your first $100. The final step is what I call the ladder. This is how you turn that first $100 into a consistent income stream. It's a simple loop. Create, analyze, iterate, and scale. You're already creating consistently. Now you need to analyze. Look at your analytics. Which videos got the most views? That tells you what topics your audience loves. Which videos had the highest click-through rate, or CTR? That tells you which titles and thumbnails worked best. Which videos had the longest watch time? That tells you what style of content keeps people engaged. The data tells you exactly what to do next. Now, iterate. Double down on what works. If videos about casting on stitches do well, use your AI to generate 10 more ideas around that specific topic. If a certain title format like "The Biggest Knitting Mistake" was a hit, use that format again for a different topic. Make small, data-driven tweaks with each new batch of content. Finally, scale. Take the small profits you've made from your affiliate links or your PDF guide and reinvest a portion of it back into promotion. That $5 ad boost can become a $10 ad boost. This creates a powerful feedback loop. Better content leads to more views lead to more small sales, and more sales fund, more promotion, which brings in an even bigger audience. This is the ladder. By repeating this cycle, you build a predictable, scalable content business from scratch. You started with no followers, but by focusing on a micro niche, leveraging AI for efficiency, and providing real value, you've built a system that generates income. That is how your first $100 follows faster than you think.